We're at a super random store, the super random stuff, and they have $2 mystery packages. So we're all gonna get one, and then we're gonna vote. The winner gets what? Gets to go to Five Below and pick something, and the loser has to get what? Pie in the face. Stay tuned for what we got.
What is that? It's kind of. What's that? There's nothing home. It's so easy.
Package number 1. Let's see what we got.
I hope it's something good.
It'll be the worst $2 ever spent. That's still the package.
It's not.
It's not open, dude. You're just going in the middle of it. You gotta rip the white.
Come on, muscles.
There you go.
What did you get? Drum roll, please.
I'm scared. Oh. What is this?
What is it?
Figure it out. Open it up.
I definitely fucking weird. Is it boobies?
Stop.
Boobies.
Oh my god. What?
You have to wear it.
No.
Come on.
Ew. What is that?
What is
Mine
it?
is
Oh, I
definitely
see an M for medium.
I'm
Oh,
the
I think
best.
Daddy has more than one thing in
I
there.
have a
I'm the
bunch.
best because I was funniest and behind some boobies.
This is so funny.
I'm gonna win.
Oh, shorts.
Oh, a
That
skirt?
was weird.
That's a skort. Mommy gets it.
That's weird.
Oh, and then a shirt to go. Oh, wait a second.
Wait, there's a lot in there. What?
Oh, what is this? A vest? Put it on. Put it on, husband.
You
Put it
got
on.
that.
And matching, I think, pants or maybe multiple vests.
We got a lot of vests? Another vest. We can all match.
Size me. Oh, one's a small, one's a medium. Let's say if this is a large.
Hadley, what'd you get?
I definitely am the best.
Oh, medium.
Another vest.
What is that?
Oh, how weird. What is that?
What is that?
Let me see. It is.
I knew you would wear this to school.
Oh, is it a dress or something?
I was definitely
Hey.
the best.
Is it? No. Wait.
It's still a mystery. Oh, I think
Looks
it's
like
like a
it's-
bathing suit cover-up pant, like skirt thing.
That's bigger than Hadley.
And then what? You tie this?
Looks like it's all for me. Hadley.
I should have picked this one.
Get Daddy.
Oh, mommy's got something that sounds fragile.
You have to open a million boxes.
Should rock scissors.
Go.
The heck? Is that the... What is that?
That's the.
Just whatever, go with it.
I'm definitely the best one.
Two of them.
What the heck is this?
I have a feeling I'm getting pied in the face.
What is that?
What's the...
Spyglass. Hey, you said that word.
He did say that.
Mommy, Dad. Daddy's the worst.
What?
And
What'd you say?
Daddy's got the worst, and who's got the best?
Mommy.
Oh, I got one? Okay.
Spyglass.
What do you vote?
Hadley got the best. You got the worst.
I definitely got the worst. What do you vote, Hattie?
you think? Who got the best? That's it because it's funny. Who got the worst?
You and mommy.
Me.
Pick
and
one or the
Mommy.
other.
Both. It's one or the
Who
other.
got the worst?
Me.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it looks weird.
I vote I got the worst. I think Hadley got the best because I can actually wear it.
You guys
So I think that's a win for Hadley, and
Hadley wins.
me and Mommy tie for the worst.
Uh oh.
Yay!
That means you both get the pies in the face.
Yeah. He's getting pie in your face.
See if you can figure out.
Winner, winner.
Chicken dinner. We're gonna find my mom, dad, and the fish
Why do you have to pie us?
because they lost.
We lost, and now we have to get pie. You have to count down and do it at the same time. Gently.
Mommy,
Don't break our noses.
Mommy.
I'll get closer. Ready? 3. Gently. We're winding up. Gently. 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Ew. It was right.
Is it all over me?
It's on my shirt. It's not on mommy's shirt.
Can't even see. Ew.
That's the end.
Can I look this? I'm not. I'm looking. Can I have
Say bye.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget in the next video, mommy, that is gonna live. Nom, nom.